As a bread eater, either way is a good. If you're tuning in for the first time, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. And my returning subscriber, welcome. Thank you so much for always coming through for your baby girl. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. So we are still on Vlogmas. So this video is just a quick one, and it was on um Monday morning, and I'm like, okay, what can we have this morning? And I stumbled on my gallery, on a video in my gallery, and the person toasted the bread with the machine, with a toasting machine. But at now, I don't have a toasting machine because I never take it as a priority. It's necessary, but I never see it as a priority. So I improvise by using my fry pan. So I will call this pan toast, pan toast bread. Yes. So all I do was just to mix egg and onion, my cayenne pepper, seasoning, mix it all together very well, make everything combines well. Then I added my sardine into it and mix it, give it a good mixing as well. So this is what you see me doing there. I mix everything well together to make sure everything is well incorporated. Then I fried my egg sardine mixture. Yes, so I fried it all together into scrambles, and you continue stirring just to avoid burning and make everything look nice. So that is what you see me doing as well. As a bread eater, guys, I can eat bread with anything, any form, anyhow you do it. Either ways, I can eat bread. I can take bread. So I have my sardine egg on one side, then I have my butter, and I'm just placing the butter. I'm spreading the butter lightly on the bread, and I'm just going to take another bread again and spread another butter on it. Then I'm going to add in my egg sanding mixture on it, and then I'll close it with the other bread. Then we're about to fry. We're just about to what's the hey Oyinbo Salo. Okay, guys, you see me do it in the video anyway, so I'm just going to pan toast it. Let me use that word, since it is pan toast bread. Since I named it pan toast bread, I improvised to my own convenience, to my own advantage anyway. So I'm just going to call it pan toast. So I pan toast the bread on both sides. This is the first side, so I allow it to eat well and pan toast evenly. Then I flip it over and allow the other side as well to pan toast. I'm a bread eater. Oh. Seriously, guys, I love bread. I love bread so much. I love bread. So I allowed the other side to pan toast very well, and here is it, guys. Just look at it now. This is the end product, guys. So yummy, so rich, so so yummy. Like, it's so delicious, guys. I enjoyed it. Everyone that ate out of it enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you give it a try as well. Mwah. I love you. See you in my next upload.